the capital city of Pakistan, Islamabad. जब भी आप इस शहर के बारे में सोचते हैं, तो you generally visualize long clean highways surrounded in lush green hills with the outlook of modern urbanized capital that resides Pakistani elites, diplomats and the politicians. लेकिन इस शहर की जिस जगह पर हम जा रहे हैं, it offers perfect blend of modernized yet traditional theme. हम जा रहे हैं लाइफ को ज़रा more purely experience करने. मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना urban लाइफ से ब्रेक लेकर हम चलें पाकिस्तान की finest rural लाइफ को explore करने. Islamabad has many great stories to tell. And one of them is Saidpur village. It's embedded in the lap of lush green Margala Hills. Emperor Akbar bequeathed the village to Sultan Said Khan for the services of his father, Sultan Sarang Khan, in the fight against Sher Shah Suri. This is why it's called the Saidpur village. Ni hao, we're finally here at the Saidpur village. Fresh air, amazing scenic beauty, goats, mountains, all of this adds up to the positivity that I'm experiencing. शुरू से ही मेरा माइंड में एक विविड सा विजुअल था about a basic representation of a village. कहते हैं this village reflects the rich history and religious heritage of three eras: Muslims, Hindus and Sikhs. It's amazing, isn't it? तो चलते हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे इस ब्यूटीफुल विलेज को. It's a really beautiful and quaint village. It's believed to be the oldest village in Pakistan. Oh, look what I found. मुझे हमेशा से आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट्स में इंटरेस्ट रहा. So let's go inside and see. Wow! I never thought I would find such fancy shops in any of the villages in Pakistan. But in Saidpur, we do. These are all handmade products. Wow! आपको तो पता ही है कि मुझे ऐसी जगहों पर आकर कितनी खुशी होती है. मेरा दिल कर रहा है कि ये सब अपने साथ वापस ले जाओ. Oh, how cute do these look? These are so adorable. Such a colorful purse. अच्छा लगेगा मेरे साथ. This is something that you don't get to see in a village, है ना? See guys, destiny always falls in my favor. Let's find out यहाँ पे और क्या-क्या चीजें हैं in Saidpur village. So guys, I'm here at the picture gallery area of Saidpur village. और आप लोग देख सकते हैं मेरा राइट साइड पर है वो गुरुद्वारा है. That was built by the Sikhs in the 20th century. और उसके पीछे है धर्मशाला जहाँ पिलग्रिम्स आते थे. और उसके साथ है बिल्कुल एक मंदिर है. और मेरे बिल्कुल सामने है वो एक मस्जिद है. So guys, पुराना ज़माना में people from different religious backgrounds, they coexist together in harmony. क्या बात है! And I've heard so much about Saidpur village and I've read so much information about it as well. So I'm going to explore further. ये टेम्पल 16th century में बना था. इसको रामा मंदिर कहते हैं as it was dedicated to Hindu god Rama. The temple was built by commander Raja Man Singh. It had tall brass statues of goddesses Kali and Lakshmi. Hindu devotees in the area used to gather in Saidpur to celebrate the festival of Baisakhi. Walking towards the Dharamshala, I actually wonder how it would have been back in the history. Such a perfect example of diversity. The Nakashkari and Kashikari work is totally amazing. कुछ खास है इस जगह के बारे में. The ambience is very enigmatic. Let's go inside and explore. Wow, this is really spacious. मैं इमेजिन कर सकती हूँ कि यहाँ पर गुरु नानक के कितने ज़्यादा disciples होते होंगे. Dharamshala contains all the before and after pictures of this beautiful Setpur village. CDA's surely done a great job. Hats off to them. So I'm here inside the Dharamshala. It has been converted into a picture gallery. और उससे पहले एक स्कूल था जहाँ गुरु नानक philosophy पढ़ाते थे. I'm really amazed at how well maintained this place is. Wow. ये fireplace काफी exquisite लग रहा है. I can already sense the old long history of this place just by the touch of it. I'm such a poser. Yes, of course. मैं अपने पिक्चर जर्नल के लिए ये मोमेंट बिल्कुल भी स्किप नहीं कर सकती. Guys, मुझे लग रहा है वहाँ पे एक फॉरेन टूरिस्ट है and she's taking photographs. तो हम उनसे बात कर लेते हैं कि how she likes this place. Hi.
Hello.
How are you? Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yes.
So what's your name?
My name is Bernadette. It's a French
Oh,
name, Bernadette.
That's lovely,
You
Bernadette.
see a
So
lot.
where are you from?
I am from Spain.
Spain.
Yes.
That's like so far away, guys.
It's far away, yes,
Wow.
believe me.
So what brought you here all the way from Spain to Pakistan?
A dream I had when I was younger.
Oh,
Yes, it's,
so finally dream came true.
Yes, at the end, the dream came true.
That's
Yes, yes.
amazing. So how many times have you traveled to Pakistan?
Oh, it's my fourth travel to Pakistan.
Four?
Four in 2 years.
In 2 years
In
only?
2 years.
How did you manage that?
So I am always traveling to
Back
Pakistan,
and forth.
back and forward, yes.
Ah, so
It's
how
a-
do you like Pakistan?
I like it. I don't know why. I don't understand why, because I have been traveling in so many places in the world.
Yeah.
And I just been one time, maybe 2 times, but in Pakistan 4. So I don't understand why I am
maybe
always here.
I think there's a special
there
connection.
is a special connection. Exactly.
So how do you like this place, Satpur village?
I like every place I have been. I have been in the north
Oh,
and
that's
Gilgit.
amazing.
Yes, I have been mountaineering also because I am. What I do, it's mountaineering.
Wow.
You know, the
that's-
base camp of Karakapushi, the Rush Lake.
Wow.
Ansur Lake
So you're
also.
pretty adventurous.
Yes, a little bit. And then when I returned in September, I went alone with a guide to do only mountaineering, you know.
Wow, that's amazing.
Yes, to Yazin Valley also and Ishkoman Valley.
That's
Ishkoman
really
Valley.
amazing.
Yes, I know many places.
Wow, I think you
You
know
can
better
ask
than
me
me,
everything.
like in the mountaineering
Yes,
tourist
yes.
spots. So
And-
it was really nice meeting you. So hope you have a nice trip in Pakistan.
Yes, thank you very
Bye-bye,
much.
bye-bye.
Thank you everyone.
The famous Gurudwara, built by the Sikhs in the 20th century, the place where the Sikh pilgrims used to offer their devotion to their Guru. As you can see, kuch carved writings hai on the floor, near to the Gurudwara area, rich in history and culture. Now I know कि Satpur इतना popular tourist spot क्यों है in Islamabad. It's only because of the taste of diversity it offers to the visitors. I heard Pakistanis are very talented in art. And there's a gallery over there. I'm just gonna go inside. I cannot wait to find out. The arts and craft shop was totally on point. देखते हैं यहाँ क्या है. Art is all about aesthetics. ये एक quality of life है, an aspiration for higher ideals. I got to know that this art gallery was established back in 2007 by Noshi Savulgadu. This gallery has hosted more than 70 shows. और ये gallery एक platform भी provide करके देता है to all the upcoming and established artists. बहुत depth और clarity है इन paintings में. This is so aesthetically appeasing. This painting is matching with my shirt. Some of the paintings are really abstract. The detailing is really on point. कभी-कभी मैं सोचती हूँ कि कितनी effort लगती होगी इन paintings को बनाने में. I wish I could buy all these paintings and put them up in my room. Hats off to every artist who's contributed his or her work in this gallery. It's a platform for all Pakistani artists to display and showcase their talent. Indeed, Pakistanis are very creative. इन गलियां मुझे अंदरून शहर की फील्स दे रहे हैं. फर्क सिर्फ ये है कि ये माउंटेनियस एरिया में बना हुआ है. इस विलेज की सबसे खूबसूरत बात, the villagers are working here and earning bread and butter for their families. The locals who lived in the area still have their houses intact. Oh guys, I think ये वो जगह है जहाँ मिट्टी के बर्तन बनाते हैं. I cannot wait to check it out. Let's go. There's so many things. This is so cute. ये इसको क्या कहते हैं? और मैंने सुना कि अगर आप इसमें पानी डालेंगे तो गर्मियों में ये ठंडा पानी ठंडा ही रहेगा. ओह, उसके ऊपर कुछ लिखा है. Visit us to have a look at 120 years old train. इतनी पुरानी? There's something unique about this place. Wow, this is so cool. And here's an elephant. Oh, इसके साथ एक कैरेज है. Obviously, पंजाबी में हम कहते हैं टांगा और चाइनीज में हम कहते हैं माछो. छोटे से डियर. So cute. Wow, I think this is some building. Oh, ये तो मुझे पता है. This is Minar Pakistan. What a masterpiece! I want to find out who is the man behind all this work. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.
वालेकुम सलाम।
आप ठीक हैं?
ठीक ठाक।
आप क्या बना रहे हैं?
ये नए किस्म के यूं जो चला ना,
हाँ हाँ.
अब बंद यूं आया, पहले तो ये काला यूं था, अब ये नया यूं आया. लोगों ने क्या भी ये नहीं बना सकेगा आप.
ये पुराना मॉडल है और ये
हाँ,
नया मॉडल है.
ये नया मॉडल का बना के दिखाए, फिर मैं इसलिए मैंने शुरू किया.
तो कितने दिनों में बनेगी?
ये तो 3 दिन मैंने लगाए हैं.
दिन में?
1 दिन और लग जाती कल.
वाह,
अकेला बंदे का काम है, दूसरा
क्या बात है.
हेल्पर नहीं है.
और आपने कब से शुरू किया इस काम को? कब शुरू किया?
ये 10 साल, मेरी उम्र 10 साल थी.
मतलब जब आप बहुत छोटे थे.
ये बर्तन पहले बनाते बनाता.
You can really see the sparks in his eyes. He's really passionate about his work. Or in the real world, you cannot find such people like him who is passionate about his work और पैसे के पीछे नहीं भागते हैं. तो अंकल, आप मुझे सिखा सकते हैं कि उसको कैसे बनाना है? वो जो उधर एक ट्रेन पड़ी है ना, वो 120 years की पुरानी है.
जी मेरे वाले साहब उन्होंने बनाई वो ट्रेन.
अच्छा.
वो वाले साहब ने बनाई है. उन्होंने तो बाद काफ़ी अर्से बाद ये मैंने.
ये जो सारे पॉटरी आइटम्स है ना, आप कहीं सेल कर रहे हैं?
हाँ जी. ये तो सेल वाली चीज़ ये लोग देखते हैं. पाकिस्तान के एसी हैं, फैमिली समेत आए देख के गए. प्राइम मिनिस्टर आके देख गए, नाम देख गए का. उसके बाद बेगम भुट्टो, कर्नल कज़ाफ़ी, तो लीबिया की दूसरे वो भी था, उसका इंडिया का वजीर आया देख के गया है.
What a talent! People like him are the unsung heroes of Pakistan. बहुत शुक्रिया अंकल. It was lovely talking to you. और आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया और करते रहे. Wow, he sure is talented. We definitely need more people like him in this world. Passionate and strong. अब रात हो गई और मैंने काफी एक्सप्लोर किया, लेकिन I'm not tired at all. I think it's because I'm away from the hustle and bustle of the city life. मैं बहुत enjoy कर रही हूँ. The air quality is also very good and the place is really nice and calm. तो चलते हम इस जगह को और एक्सप्लोर करेंगे. We're going towards the craft gallery. Wow, the view. It's so nice. अगर आप सैदपुर विलेज को विजिट करेंगे ना, तो आप जरूर आर्ट्स एंड क्राफ्ट गैलरी को विजिट करें, क्योंकि यहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा चीजें हैं that reflect the Pakistani culture and handicrafts. Oh, you may wonder what this is. This is the hot pot, जहाँ हम रोटीज वगैरह रखते हैं. But it took me some time to figure what this is, क्योंकि in China we don't make roti. यहाँ पर तो बहुत कलरफुल और एंटीक किस्म की आर्टिफैक्ट्स हैं. Amazing. एक विश तो मेरी पूरी हो गई, which was to visit Pakistan. Remaining 2 are still left. Guys, this is making me emotionally happy. The vibes are very pleasant. Ta-da! I'll just have a cup of tea. God's honest truth, मैंने इससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरत artifacts नहीं देखे कहीं भी. These are surely very antique. अब मैं finally थक गई और I'm also very hungry. मैंने सुना Day for Days has really good food. I cannot wait anymore. चलते? Mom Josie, now yeah. Literally you can find this in every corner of Pakistan. It makes me feel like home. तो इसलिए मैं कह रही हूँ कि मेरा दिल है पाकिस्तानी. Long live Pak-China friendship, 中巴友谊万岁! Guys, I see 2 Chinese pretty girls over there. तो हम उनसे बात कर लेते हैं and ask about their experience. 你们好，
你好，
Hi， 你们是第一次来巴基斯坦吗？
我是第一次，
第一次，你呢？
第二次，
第二次，为什么呀？
因为我儿子在这里，
你
以后我
儿子在
们要这里
这里，
生活。
你是在这里结婚了吗
对，
？Guys, she just told me that she's married over here, and then she has a son. 那你是嫁给当地人了吗
对，
？She's married to a Pakistani. 那你的老公今天也在吗
在他在这里。
？So this handsome guy right over here, he is her husband. Oh my God, what a lovely couple, isn't it? कहते हैं ना कि जोड़ियां वो आसमानों पे ही बनती है, तो आज साबित हो गया कि पाक-चीन दोस्ती भी आसमानों पे ही बनी है. बहुत अच्छी बात है. So tell me about your experience over here.
Over here,
Yes, in Saidpur village.
just we are coming here for exploring the food or something like the environment.
Oh, so how do you like the environment? कैसा लगा?
Just came. We
Just
need to
came.
explore something.
Okay. So you guys will explore and then you will tell me about your experience later then.
Yes.
So hope you guys have fun and have a nice dinner. 真的很高兴见到你们，真棒一个！祝你幸福，
谢谢，
拜拜拜拜拜拜拜拜。What a lovely couple. Love surely doesn't have any ethnic or culture boundaries. That's the beauty of it. खाना बहुत लजीज है. I definitely recommend it to everyone whoever comes here to taste for day, definitely order this Malai Boti. It's so delicious. Dera Bakhtoon. Wow, they have this famous Peshawari gate representation too. Wonderful. अब तो मैं full हो गई, पर मैं यहाँ दोबारा ज़रूर आऊँगी. I have never tried any Peshawari dish. So guys, ये था the Saidpur village. Those who haven't discovered this place, they must. और आप लोग इधर ज़रूर आएं और देखेंगे कि this village is so rich in culture and heritage due to the influence of 3 eras. I hope you enjoyed as much as I did. तो अगले एपिसोड में फिर मुलाकात होगी. Bye bye.